For better living, are you feeling good tonight? This thing got me thinking of life.
Welcome back to my channel, you guys. So we're going to be breaking down this tutorial into 3 basic steps. Step 1, we're going to be doing the upside down U part shape or parting. I want my parting to be very thick because the locks is quite thick, so I don't want to do smaller partings because that's just going to make the overall hair too full. So just do your upside down U part shape. After you've done that, we're going to be working with Marley hair to braid the hair. Now this is very important. The type of hair you add to your client's hair to braid it is it's gonna impact the finished look and the longevity of the hairstyle. Now because the locks we're going to be using has a kinky texture to it, so it's very important to use a kinky texture braiding hair to complement the hair. Do not use silky hair because the hair is going to slip out of the crochet locks, so make sure you use thick Marley hair to braid the hair that is compatible to the crochet hair that you're going to be using, because when those two hair collides together, it's gonna like stick together, making you get longer wears out of the individual crochet. So this is very, very important. Use a Marley hair. Okay, now we're gonna be doing these single braids all throughout her hair in the front before we go into the individual crochet portion of this tutorial. So I always like to start with a braid and then I finish off with a twist. I feel like it's faster. Either way, if you don't know how to do a twist, you can do a braid. It doesn't really matter. But yeah, just always make sure you do the upside down U parting, or if you want to do the triangular parting, you could do that as well. But for this tutorial, we want it to look, nice and full, and we want it to look a certain way, so that's why we're doing the upside down U parting. The reason I love this parting is because it allows the hair to fall naturally without hanging awkwardly. So it just helps the natural fall of the hair. Congratulations, you've made it to step 2. Okay, so for this step, we're gonna be using the FreeTress Bow Locs in 18 inches, in the color 1B/30. I love this color because it just complements every dark skin tone, and it's just like the perfect summer color. As you can see, the locks is very textured. It's kinkier. It looks very realistic. That's what I love the most about FreeTress hair. Their hair always looks super real and just realistic. But anyway, so first things first, you're going to be inserting the crochet hair through the bottom of her braids, and you're going to be securing that knot, and then we're going to be inserting the latch hook through the crochet locks to get the braiding hair. Now this is very important. Take your time. At first it might seem like a bit of a struggle, but once you get the hang of it, it's going to be super easy. The whole process is going to be faster. The reason I started doing this was because initially I used to unravel the locks and wrap it. I feel like that step takes so long. I mean, you might as well just do the regular locks if you're going to be wrapping it still. You might as well just not use the crochet. So this is better. It's faster, and it's more effective, and I feel like it also maintains the natural structure of the crochet hair. Like, it doesn't mess it up, it doesn't make it fuzzy. Just inserting that latch hook, it doesn't disturb the locks itself. It just maintains the whole overall look of your hair. So if you haven't started doing this, I think you should do it. When I do this method, it literally takes me like 2 hours 30 minutes, and when I do the wrapping method, it takes me 4 hours. So the difference is a lot. You save so much time and you just work faster. So getting into this, if you haven't, just try it out, see how you like this method, and let me know. But yeah, we're just going to be completing this step all through the hair, and I'll see you guys in step 3. Yes, girl, you made it to step 3. Okay, so what we're gonna be doing here is just the bare minimum. We're gonna be using our Cream of Nature argan oil to slay her edges. As you can see, it's looking a little bit rough, you know, us 4C girls, you know, our hair, our edges can be a little, you know, a little hard to deal with. So I'm just gonna be taking my rat tail comb, swiping this product on her hair. You guys, this product smells so good. It smells so yummy, and it works for literally every hair texture. I promise you, if you're looking for extra hold, get your hands on this argan oil. So I'm going to be using the wrap strip. I'm going to be wrapping down her edges and sticking her under the dryer for like maybe 2 minutes. I actually left her on longer and her hair was like burning. But yeah, that was my bad. So this is the fun part. You get to slay your hair. You get to style it and have fun. Now the beauty of the individual crochet is you can wear it however you want. You can part it wherever you want. Like, it is your locks, okay? They can't tell you anything at this point, sis. Like, this is your hair, okay? You've grown your locks for 10 years now at this point. So you style it however you want. You can do a ponytail. You could do the half up, half down. You could wear it down. You could do whatever you want. If you want, you can go ahead and add accessories to this. It's just up to you. Just have fun, enjoy your hairstyle. And once again, you guys, thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you for the support. And if you guys are new to my channel, welcome. Like, seriously, I am so glad to have you guys on board. Yeah, you guys, make sure you share the video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys on my next video. Have a merry day and God bless. I love you guys.